Want to hide the page title in Elementor like a pro? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. But before we proceed, please like, subscribe, and share if this helps you out. So start by logging into your WordPress admin panel. From the left menu, go to Pages and click on All Pages. Choose the page you want to edit, let's say the Terms and Conditions page, and click the Edit button attached to it. On the next page, you can see the whole web page content with its title on top. If you open the Terms and Conditions page of your site in a different tab, you will also see the page title visible on the top. To hide it, come back to the Edit page, and on the right side under the Page Attributes tab, you will see the Templates option. By default, it's set to the default template option. Change it to Elementor Full Width. Then scroll down a bit. In Astra Settings, just check the box of Disable Title. That's it. After that, scroll up and click on the Update button. Now, again, open the Terms and Conditions page of your site in a different tab. You will not see the page title on the top. So, are you thinking of designing like a pro? I swear by Elementor then. It makes everything so easy. Check it out through my affiliate link below and dive right in. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick Elementor tips. See you in the next one.